Welcome to AI in Action, empowering visually impaired learners. Before AI came, visually impaired learners faced daily struggles in the digital world. Even simple tasks demanded extra time, patience, and effort. Visually impaired learners struggled in the digital world before AI, facing significant hurdles in everyday tasks. Creating an image was one challenge, but understanding what the image contained was an even bigger one. Video creation and editing felt almost impossible, with unlabeled buttons and confusing controls. Preparing a presentation was another struggle, as visual slides and design elements lacked descriptions. But then, everything changed. A new era of innovation began. AI came and opened a new world of independence for visually impaired learners. AI can now generate images and describe them clearly, edit videos with simple voice instructions, and design presentations with accessible visuals and automatic descriptions. To make all of this power accessible to you, Study with VI presents AI in Action, a hands-on training program. AI in Action is a comprehensive 30-day training program designed specifically for visually impaired learners. In this program, you will gain practical skills to leverage AI for various digital tasks. You will learn how to create documents, generate and edit videos, produce audio content, and design images and graphics, all using AI. Let's explore the structure and offerings of the AI in Action program. The course runs Monday to Friday, 1 hour each evening at 7 p.m., ensuring a consistent learning experience. You will receive recordings, materials, and lifetime support. Complete the course with good performance and 80% attendance to receive your certificate. This program is designed to be accessible to a specific group of learners. Let's see if it's right for you. This program is open to visually impaired participants who know English, have basic computer skills, and can use screen readers comfortably. AI in Action is more than just a training program. It's a pathway to empowerment and new possibilities. AI empowers visually impaired learners to work independently, create faster, and unlock opportunities that once felt out of reach. Thank you for exploring the AI in Action program with us. For any questions or support, you can email us at support@studywithvi.com or call us at 70798-30198. Join AI in Action and take your first step toward a more confident, creative, and empowered future. Study with VI, empowering through education and technology.